guys, so today, as you can see on the title, I'm gonna be reacting to my old YouTube videos. And it's gonna be cringe-worthy, for sure. And I know the impact is gonna be insanely strong. So first I'm gonna be watching my... First I'm gonna be watching my old... Okay, what the... Okay, first I'm gonna be watching my old videos. The old ones. Oh my god, stop being so loud. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching vids from 2020, 2021, and 2022. And even the vids that I placed on private because I don't want you guys to be seeing those shits. Guys, I already shoot a lot of clips reacting to my old videos, but now I just decided to react to my old Q&A videos because I think it's more cringe-worthy. Okay, let's watch my Q&A vlog 2 when I was in 10th grade. Look, I was so cringe back in high school, okay? Like my whole high school era. Like from 7th grade to 10th grade. And I'm so glad that I changed. Because, ew, what? Anyway, let's start. Play.
May crush ka ba sa school? Pag ikaw ba ay may jowa na, hindi ka na ba maghahanap ng iba? At
Wait, okay. I cringe so much at my voice. Ito talaga isa sa mga insecurities ko back then. Like, I hate being in a video. I hate hearing my voice in a video because it's so cringe. Like, why do you sound like that, bro? And I don't know, I kinda grew out of it. I kinda changed, my voice kinda changed as time goes by. So I think that's the reason why I don't really feel that much insecure lately like before with my voice, so I think that's a good thing. Anyway. Not the cringe intro. Oh my god, there's no way on earth I did this. Look at... This is torture, bitch. This is torture. If you want me to die, just force me to watch my past YouTube videos and TikTok videos. I'll probably instantly die in a minute. Bro kept doing like... Bro's like...
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, gagawa tayo ng Q&A vlog part 2. Yan. And sasagot ako ng mga tanong. Kaya nga Q&A, di ba? Sasagot ako ng mga tanong na tinanong ng mga tao sa akin, tapos sinulat ko sa papel.
Sinulat ko sa papel. Dito ko nilagay. Why was I like that?
Dito ko nilagay. Yan.
Oh my god. My facial hair. It's not giving. I'm sorry you had to see that.
Love mo ba yung kapatid mo?
Ako ba nakuta? I don't.
No.
Okay, good answer.
Okay, next question.
Ano pa nga sa usapan mo ba?
May crush ka ba sa school? Oo, meron. Oo, meron.
Yeah, malamang meron. Like, I had like, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 4 crushes at school when I was in high school. So yeah, malamang meron.
Oh, ano? Oo, may...
Oh, and story time. I think most of us did this back then. Like during break times, I used to ask my friends to go with me to make, like ikot sa campus just to see my crush. Ew, no, that's not... Tapos I would make silip sa classroom nila kasi we're not classmates. I mean, some of them are not my classmates. Kaya, every time na daan ako sa classroom nila, I'm just gonna be like,
Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy pali.
yeah. It was a phase, okay? We've all been there.
Crush ako sa
Ano yun?
school. Oy!
Watch without editing.
When did you become an army?
Yeah, this was my army phase. Yeah, my BTS phase. I'm still a fan until now, but not as, die-hard as I was back then.
2 years na. And then, ang bias ko is si Younggi.
2 years ka dyan.
2 years nga.
Sugar.
Si Younggi kasi
Kasi nawalan mo talaga, Troy. Yay!
Kasi gusto ko yung mga rap niya, yung mga rap line, tapos cool siya.
Liar!
Ano ang nagustuhan mo sa crush mo ngayon? Iba ang crush sa love.
Iba ang crush sa love. You don't even know what love was back then.
Liar, balugi na, tapos buti na lang. Nauugot ako sa'yo, Troy.
Nauugot daw siya sa akin.
Ay, si Stroke!
Ano ang nagustuhan mo sa crush mo ngayon? Ugali niya, pagka-cute, tapos tapos height.
Sana all hi.
Next question. Flowers or chocolate?
Babae ka, Troy?
Ganun, no? Lagi mo ako namin sa akin. Pero sige lang. Chocolates. Mas maganda yung chocolate makakain. Pero sa flower, hindi mo naman makakain.
Okay, you kind of have a point, but I don't know, both are better anyway, so...
Pero okay din naman. Next question.
Hindi mo appreciate kasi hindi ka babae.
Next question. Ilan na po ex mo, kuya? Isa lang. Isa pa lang.
Mention mo nga, Troy.
Wait, how many do I have na ngayon? Like 2? Yeah, 2. Yeah, kasi the other one, I didn't really, like, consider them as an ex. I'm not trying to be like, oh no, that person's not my ex. Like, I'm not trying to be like that. Like, it was just, it was a fling, perhaps. Like, just, MU.
No.
A few moments later.
Next question. Mahirap bang pagsabay ng landi at yung pag-aaral? Sige, Shay.
What kind of question is that?
Para sa'yo, mahirap ba?
Ako tayo!
Hindi. Bakit ba naman yung magiging mahirap? Diba sa... When did you become an army?
Wow, it's full of BTS questions. Let's skip those parts. Next question na, nasan mo na ba maging depressed at anong reason? Actually, I first experienced depression when I was in 11th grade, like during pandemic. And then the next one was last year, 2023. And let's not talk about that.
Hindi ko pa naranasan. Diba, Sak? Medyo. Hindi ko pa naranasan maging depressed. Yeah. So, natin pag ikaw ba ay may jowa na, hindi ka...
Okay, I think we all know the answer to that. If you have a jowa, why would you still search for someone else? That's cheating, bitch.
Ka na ba maghahanap ng iba at bakit?
But okay, let's hear 10th grade Troy's opinion on that.
Pag... Opo, hindi na ako maghahanap ng iba. Kasi...
Ano ba dyan, Troy?
Oo, sure na.
Sure na sure.
Maghahanap ng iba kasi dapat loyal tayo.
Dapat loyal tayo. I'm sorry, I keep on mocking my accent back then. It was just so weird.
Yun, yun, todo.
Wow! Dapat loyal, kaya... Question, last question.
Okay, last question.
On or boy with love?
Another BTS question, let's skip that part. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my cringe-worthy vlogs when I was in 10th grade. So yeah, I feel the cringe. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys on my next vlog. I don't know what that vlog is going to be, but see you guys. And then yes, I'm gonna be making more reaction videos next time. Let's die from cringe. Bye.